This trip to the two sectors today, Bucaisau and Wainikoro, was more to meet the farmers who were being given these incentive through this government's program, the 13 different programs that we have. And one of the programs that we have rolled out is that the farmers who have bought new farms or the farmers who have paid lease on their farms, they will get a reimbursement of 30% or 7,500, which is lower. So today we have got almost over 30 farmers with both sectors who have received the range from 7,500 downwards to about 2,500 per farm. One of these meetings were all about also giving the farmers an overhaul the program that we have got, all the 13 different programs. We have another skin farming grants and schemes. Now, my message to the farmers is that the current government has rolled out this program last year. We had a $50 million budget. We have a similar amount more or less this year as well. And the government, as I said, is wanting to see that the cane production in all the various sectors increase. And more so, we like to see that there is an increase in production of cane in Vanuatu in the cane sectors from 600,000 tons to 1.2 million tons, which was the actual cane that was being harvested in the yesteryears. So my plea to the farmers here is that please don't abuse the grants, don't abuse the funds that we have allocated. We will be monitoring you guys very closely, but we will not be trying to do anything that will discourage the farmers. If anything, I've asked my FSC team, I've asked all the sugarcane stakeholders like Growth Fund, Growth Council, Sugar Research, everybody to come out on the field full force to see that the farmers are given full assistance so that they're not left behind in terms of the knowledge that can be given to them for increasing of cane production. Just by driving towards in Vanuatu, the sugar looks more better. The sugar cane looks more better than the ones in the Vitilevu side. So let's hope that we are getting some increment. But if not, as I said, we are not going to be certain about it because these roles, the rolling out of these incentives, takes a lot of time for farmers to be back on the track. So it could take another year or so, but let's hope everything goes well.